In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an allow list using NFT Studio. I already have the collection set up and I already have the NFTs. If you want to learn how to do this, then you can look at all the videos in our channel. So in order to create an allow list, the first thing is to create a self face. So let's create a self face. Let's name it allow list. We're going to sell 10 tokens and it's going to start now. So I'm not going to set up the start date, and the reservation time, it can be, let's say, 10 minutes. I'm going to add a new price tier. I'm going to say golden, and then the price is going to be 10 ADA for, let's say, one NFT. And yeah, let's add a second one, going to be 20 ADA, and then it's going to be 2 NFTs. Okay, so the sell face is created and it has a price tier. This means like where the buyers can get one NFT for 10 ADA and 2 NFTs for 20 ADA. So now how do we create the allow list? So for that, let's go to sell conditions, and then we're going to create a condition. There are different types of conditions. There's one based on policy ID, another one based on the asset name, and the reason for this video, which is the allow list. Let's go and create an allow list. I'm going to call it a snapshot. And then we're going to add the addresses. We have two options here. We have single addresses or multiple addresses. I'm going to use multiple addresses now. I'm going to download the sample file and modify it. And this is where you're going to add all the wallet addresses that are allowed to buy your NFTs. The format of this file is very simple. It's only 2 columns. And the first column is the wallet address allowed to buy NFTs. The second column is how many NFTs each wallet can buy. For example, the first address can buy 2 NFTs and the last address can buy 5 NFTs. For this demo, I'm going to leave it as it is, but remember, this is the file where you add all your addresses. So I'm just going to upload it. As you can see here, we have the 5 addresses and the corresponding quantities. I uploaded the sample file, so my wallet address is not contained in this allow list. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to try to buy the NFT, but the whitelist is going to say, hey, you can't buy this, so it's going to deny me. Let's create, and then let's buy 1 token. As you can see, I passed the CAPTCHA, and now it says that my wallet is not authorized to buy NFTs. So how we can change this? Well, let's go to my wallet and I'm going to copy the address. Okay, the address is copied. Then I'm going to the sell condition. I'm going to edit the sell condition, and I'm going to add my address there. So in this case, I will add a single address. Okay, and I'm going to say that I can mint 2 tokens. Update. And now if I refresh the payment gateway, it should allow me to buy 2 tokens. So let's hit it again, NAMI. So this window is first verification that we do for the wallet. In this way, we can avoid things like franken addresses and any type of bad behavior in order to buy more NFTs that you are actually allowed. So let's sign this message, and in this way we can check the wallet address. and now we make the payment. Okay, so because my address was in the whitelist, I am allowed to buy. Now it's going to be processing. I'm going to do just a fast forward for this, and there we go, we have the token. Now if we go to the sell condition and then we go to the whitelist, as you can see here, this is my address, this one here. I am allowed to mint 2 and I already mint 1. So if we refresh this and I mint another one, okay, so I sign, okay, and now make the payment. There we go. Now I'm in the process of buying my second NFT. And remember, I'm allowed to buy only 2. If I go to sell conditions, you can see that I already minted 1 out of 2. And I already started minting the second one. Now I'm going to try to mint a third NFT while my second is still minting. Let's go here, Nami. Continue. As you can see, we're not allowed to buy more. This one should be already minted. If you go to the second condition, you can see that my wallet already minted the 2 tokens and is not allowed to mint anymore, as we can see here. So with this, just to let me show you how you can check this. So if we go to my wallet, I copy the address, paste it here, then you can see this actually my address. I minted 2 tokens and I'm not allowed to mint anymore. This is a good way to check how many tokens per wallet with the allowed list. So in any case, so in the case you're talking with a customer, then you can tell them, hey, this is the actual number of tokens you have minted. So this is it. This is how you create an allowed list using our platform. It's very easy to use. Just to recap, you create a collection, you upload the content, which are the NFTs, and then you go to sell phases and enter the sell phase, and then you go to sell conditions and create a condition. Thanks for watching and see you next time.